What if I told you that creating beautiful, magical, heartwarming Christmas decor doesn't require a huge budget? What if this year, your home could sparkle with charm, creativity, and festive warmth? Using items that cost just $1 or a little more? Dollar Tree Christmas decor isn't just affordable, it's inspiring. It's the thrill of turning simple pieces into magical creations. It's the joy of crafting something with your own hands. It's the wonder of transforming your home with creativity rather than cost. Imagine turning a plain vase into a glittering centerpiece, a simple ornament into a custom luxury piece, a $1 garland into a winter wonder. Today, I'm showing you how to take everyday Dollar Tree finds and turn them into stunning Christmas decorations that look stylish, magical, and far more expensive than they are. Let's turn your home into a festive masterpiece on a budget that feels like a gift in itself. How can you make DIY Christmas centerpieces using Dollar Tree items? This is where Dollar Tree magic really shines. With just a little imagination, you can create centerpieces that look high-end and professionally styled. Use a Dollar Tree bowl or vase as your base. Add faux snow, pine cones, ornaments, beads, fairy lights, or greenery to create a glowing winter scene. A single LED candle in the center, surrounded by frosted branches, looks elegant and timeless. You can fill apothecary-style jars with ornaments or berries, tie ribbon around the top, and place them on books or trays for height and drama. Even a simple Dollar Tree wooden sign can become a stunning centerpiece. When surrounded by greenery, candles, and small decorative pieces, DIY centerpieces aren't just decor, they're memories you make with your own hands. Check the description for step-by-step centerpiece tutorials. How can you elevate Dollar Tree decor so it looks expensive? The secret to elevating Dollar Tree decor is layering, texture, and detail. Spray paint can make anything look high-end. Ornaments, vases, candle holders, trays, figurines, or even plastic greenery. Choose gold, champagne, black, white, or metallic tones to elevate instantly. Ribbons transform projects instantly. Wide-wired ribbon from Dollar Tree looks luxurious when tied into full bows or wrapped onto garlands and trees. Combine Dollar Tree items with natural elements like pine branches, eucalyptus, cinnamon sticks, dried oranges, and pine cones. These textures make everything feel richer and more substantial. And finally, lighting. Adding small fairy lights or candles around your decor creates warmth and hides inexpensive materials behind a beautiful golden glow. Dollar Tree decor becomes luxurious when styled with intention. Don't forget to like and share this video if you love budget-friendly decorating hacks. Why choose Dollar Tree for Christmas decor? Dollar Tree is where creativity meets possibility. Everything on those shelves, the ornaments, ribbons, vases, faux florals, wreath, forms, LED candles, is a blank canvas waiting to become something magical. You don't just buy decor at Dollar Tree, you create it. The affordability gives you freedom. You can experiment, try new colors, test new styles, and decorate generously without regret. A garland that would cost $20 elsewhere can be created for $3. A luxurious centerpiece can be built for under $5. Dollar Tree also encourages a handmade holiday, a Christmas that feels personal, heartfelt, and full of warmth. It takes the pressure off and brings the joy back into decorating. This is where your creativity shines brightest, because the magic comes from you, not from the price tag. If you love beautiful decor on a budget, hit that like button and let's keep creating magic. How can you create a stunning Christmas tree using Dollar Tree items? A Dollar Tree Christmas tree doesn't have to look cheap. It can look luxurious, elegant, and totally custom. Begin with ornaments in different textures. Dollar Tree has matte, shiny, glitter, metallic, clear, patterned, and even specialty ornaments. Mixing textures creates richness. You can even spray paint some ornaments gold, champagne, or white to elevate the look instantly. Ribbon from Dollar Tree is your secret weapon. Use wired ribbon to create big tree bows or soft cascades flowing through the branches. You can mix patterns, plaid, metallic, velvet, or burlap, for a warm and festive look. Add DIY touches using floral picks, faux berries, pine stems, or small gift boxes wrapped in Dollar Tree paper. Even a simple snowflake ornament tied with twine can look high-end when styled thoughtfully. And don't forget the magic of lights. Dollar Tree LED fairy lights add sparkle to small trees, garlands, and tabletop setups. They create the warm glow that makes your tree look like it came from a holiday magazine, not a dollar store. Subscribe for more magical Christmas tree transformations and budget-friendly ideas. How can you make your living room look festive using Dollar Tree decor? Your living room can become a cozy Christmas retreat without spending much at all. Start by adding small touches in cozy corners. Faux candles placed inside Dollar Tree lanterns. Ribbon tied around existing pillows, or small ornaments arranged in bowls or trays. These tiny changes bring instant holiday warmth. Transform your coffee table by arranging faux snow, ornaments, pine cones, and LED candles on top of a wooden Dollar Tree tray. Suddenly, the table becomes a winter wonderland centerpiece that feels soft and enchanting. Hang garlands along your mantel using Dollar Tree greenery, ribbon, and small picks. You can bulk up the garland inexpensively by layering multiple pieces and adding ornaments or faux berries for volume. Even simple touches like Dollar Tree stockings, ceramic houses, or miniature figurines can turn your living room into a cozy holiday scene full of charm and creativity. Your home starts feeling like Christmas, not because of the price tag, but because of the magic you created. Check the description for the Dollar Tree items featured in this living room setup. How can you create a beautiful dining table using Dollar Tree items? Your Christmas dining table can look elegant, luxurious, and festive, all using Dollar Tree pieces. Start with charger plates. Dollar Tree offers gold, silver, black, white, and seasonal designs that instantly elevate your table setting without effort. Stack simple white plates on top and add cloth napkins tied with Dollar Tree ribbon or twine. Fill Dollar Tree vases or candle holders with ornaments, beads, pine stems, or faux snow to create glowing centerpieces. Line them down the center of your table and add LED candles for warmth. You can create name cards using Dollar Tree craft paper, mini wreaths, or small ornaments. These personalized touches make your table feel special without costing anything more. A runner made from Dollar Tree fabric, ribbon, or placemats can tie everything together beautifully. With just a handful of Dollar Tree finds, you can create a table that shines like an elegant holiday banquet. Want more table ideas? Check the description for my Christmas table decor playlist. How can Dollar Tree items transform your entryway for Christmas? Your entryway sets the stage for everything inside, and Dollar Tree makes it easy to create a festive welcome. Start with a wreath using a Dollar Tree wreath form, mesh, ribbon, ornaments, and greenery. You can make a professional-looking wreath for a fraction of the cost of store-bought ones. Place lanterns beside your door and fill them with LED candles, faux snow, or ornaments. Add a Dollar Tree doormat layered with a neutral rug underneath to instantly elevate your entrance. Inside the entryway, style your console table with a mini tree, vases, filled with ornaments, faux branches, or small holiday figurines. Tie ribbon around baskets or frames to bring subtle, festive charm. Your entryway becomes warm, welcoming, and full of creativity. All thanks to Dollar Tree. Like this cozy entryway vibe? Save this video to your playlist so you can recreate it later. How can the kitchen be decorated for Christmas using Dollar Tree finds? Your kitchen doesn't need much to feel festive. Small Dollar Tree touches go a long way. Hang mini wreaths on your cabinet doors using ribbon and adhesive hooks. They instantly transform your kitchen into a winter cottage. Add Dollar Tree holiday mugs to your shelves or coffee station for a warm, cozy touch. Use glass jars filled with marshmallows, candy canes, cookies, or faux snow to create a charming cocoa bar. Add a Dollar Tree tray, a couple of LED candles, and a holiday sign to complete the look. Even something as simple as a red, white, or plaid towel from Dollar Tree brings warmth to your stove or drawers. Combine a few items, and your kitchen becomes festive, inviting, and full of holiday spirit. Check the description for all the Dollar Tree kitchen decor pieces featured in this video. And that is how you decorate your entire home with Dollar Tree Christmas magic. Beautifully, creatively, and affordably. Dollar Tree doesn't limit you, it inspires you. It turns simple pieces into treasures. It fills your home with warmth, creativity, and joy. It proves that Christmas beauty comes from the heart, not from the price tag. This year, let your home shine in gold, red, white, rustic, glam, farmhouse, or any style you love. All with the magic of Dollar Tree. Merry Christmas. May your season be creative, cozy, warm, and full of unforgettable handmade moments.